In this corona crisis, there are many cases found that the patients are not getting proper treatment. They have to move from one hospital to another to get the facility. Some hospital activities are suspended, but the patients don't know anything about that. They go to one hospital to get the ICU facility and then come to know that the authority has suspended that facility or there are no seats available. Due to rushing from one hospital to another, the patient's health gets worsened and eventually they die. On the other hand, the doctors are getting infected as the patients are hiding their illness. Hence, I have come up with a solution. It's a mobile app named Remedi with features like emergency option. It also has a corona mode to facilitate risky patients. The app is also designed with interactive UI to search nearby hospitals, medical stores, and even equipments. The hospital authorities can also organize everything using this interactive UI. The patients will also be able to check any doctor's status and give appointments.